Okay, in just a moment, Robin's going to show you how to get Peak Token, which is a DeFi token from BNB. So you can swap BNB for Peak Token. You do this on Pancake Swap. And so that's a decentralized exchange. So Robin's going to show you how to do that. She starts the video out talking to those who had to take an extra step, like those in the US and some other countries have to take an extra step to get BNB in their Metamask wallet. Just ignore that if you didn't need to take that extra step. She referred to Binance Chain Wallet. If you don't follow what she's saying there at the beginning, it just means you didn't have to take that extra step. What you want to pay attention to in this video is where she shows you how to go to Pancake Swap and swap your BNB that you should now have in your MetaMask wallet, swap that for Peak Token. All right, here's Robin.
All right, welcome back. We are in step 4, and at this time, you have turned your BNB out of the bridge Binance Chain Network into now your MetaMask, and I'll go to where my peak is here in MetaMask, in the BNB or Binance Smart Chain Network here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Pancake Swap. So you see there's a link down here. And what you're going to do is you're first going to just copy this address because you're going to add in, first what you're going to do is you're going to add Peak to your MetaMask wallet. So I want you to copy that address, and I'll just make it really clear. You're adding Peak as an asset to your Metamask wallet, okay? So what we're going to do is we are going to MetaMask. As you can see, I already have Peak. But what you're going to do is you're going to add it to your wallet. So let me go to assets. Okay. So I was on activity. So now let's go to assets. And you see here it says add token. And you're going to do custom token. You're going to do token symbol, Peak, token contact address. So you see it says token already has been added, okay? So that's what you would do, custom token. If you search Peak, you're not going to find it. So you're going to add the custom token. You're going to, under the token contract address, you put this, okay? That's the Peak asset that you're adding, and the token symbol is PEAK, okay? So once you have that here, you see here I have Peak already in my wallet because it's already staking. That's how much I've earned already in just a day. So what I'm going to do, again, after we take that step, you're going to add Peak as an asset to your wallet. Then we're going to go to Pancake Swap. So I want to make sure that you first add your asset, add Peak as an asset to your MetaMask wallet in order to convert it, okay, into Peak. So go ahead and do that now. You are going to be sure that you, again, go to MetaMask, click on assets, go scroll down, click add token, custom token. You're going to paste that address, and then the token symbol is Peak, and then click next and add it, okay? So now that you've done that, now we're going to go to Pancake Swap. And from Pancake Swap, we are going to click connect up here. We're going to connect our MetaMask wallet. So go ahead, click connect MetaMask. And it looks like it might already be. So yes, it is connected. So you have to have it open. When you click connect, you actually have to have this already open. So you have to go there and have this, the account you want connected open, or it will connect to the wrong account, okay? So you can see here, I have 0.0153 BNB in here in this account. And there's some Peak already here in the account, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap BNB for Peak. So we are going to make sure that we do the same thing. We're going to actually need to find the Peak token, just like we did by adding into MetaMask wallet. Remember, we just added the token with that, that address here. So this address here, we are actually going to you might need to copy it again from this web page. But what you're going to do is from, if let's say, for example, you're on pancakeswap.finance, you're going to go to trade and then exchange. And then you're going to go from BNB to, and we're going to add that address. Okay, that's where the peak is. Okay, we're going to add it. There we go. And now we see peak. Okay, so you see peak, and it is showing me a balance here. So I'm going to go from my BNB here, right, into my peak balance here. Okay, so if I go max, it's telling me I have insufficient liquidity for the trade, because it requires, I think, a minimum to trade. Yeah, I need a minimum of 0.01 BNB in order to trade. So with what we're doing here, what we need to do is make sure that you have enough to be able to move from BNB into peak. And then you're gonna hit swap, and you're turning BNB into peak, and then you click swap. Okay, so I right now am actually looking here. I have just a little bit of BNB, just a shaving of BNB in this account, and I am going to come into this other account here, connect to my other account. Okay, and you can see here it has 0 BNB, and I have to add that custom token. Okay, there we go. So I had to add that custom token in there in my wallet, because I'm switching between wallets because I want to use this new wallet. So basically, not to confuse you guys, but we want to click swap. We want to turn our BNB into peak, and what we did is we had to paste that address. We clicked on peak in there, and now we have it going. We want to click on max, and it looks like 0.01 is the minimum to get peak, and then we can move forward by swapping BNB into peak. You're going to click move forward, you're going to have your peak, and then what will happen is it will show up in your wallet here as peak. And now that you have peak in your wallet, now we can move on to the next step, and there's only 2 steps left, guys. You're almost there. So go ahead and turn your BNB. Again, you're going to want over 0.01 to turn that into peak. You're going to click swap, and when you turn your BNB into peak, you will see it in your Metamask wallet here. Okay, you're going to see the BNB turn into peak, and once you have peak, you will meet me in the next step. If you have any issues with this, meet us in the Facebook group or ask the person who brought you here for support.